Hi guys, now that we've got our 9" by 12" artboard set up, I wanted to talk a little bit about layers. There's a layers window that should be on the right hand side, or it may be on the left, depending on how you have this set up. If you don't see it and it's not there at all you have to do is go to the toolbox and click the layers icon. Okay, when you do that, it will appear. If you don't want to do that, if you go into the window menu at the top, you can click the layer editor. That window will open up as well. And it should open up with a background layer and then a layer 1. So first I want to show you how to control the layers. There's a menu at the top that you can click and it'll let you add a new layer. You can import an image. You can group layers, create a new group of layers. You can clear the layer. You can duplicate it, rename it, or lock it. If you don't want to access that menu, you'll notice that when you're on a layer, you'll see this little circle right here. If you click and hold, you'll see a lot of those menu commands here. To hide it, to duplicate it, to add it, to delete it, to rename it, to merge layers, to merge with below, or merge layers you've chosen, or to lock it. Now, to create a new layer, you'll see a big plus sign to the left-hand side, and it says Add Layer. There's a keyboard command, Control L. There's a new layer. Now, I don't know what I did. Maybe I Command Z, but it named it Layer 5. But that's not a concern anyway, because we're going to rename our layers. To do that, I'm going to click the layer. I'm going to use that circle in the center so that that menu pops up. I'm going to go to Rename Layer. When I do that, a window will pop up, and I'm going to change the name of this layer to Sphere 1. Once you click OK, you will see the name change. I'm going to do that again so you can see that. I'm going to click the layer. I'm going to use this little circle in the center. I'm going to choose the Rename Layer command. I'm going to name this one Sphere 1 Shadow and click OK. Now I did that on purpose because these are in the order which they'll be viewed. The one at the top is the highest, the one at the bottom is the lowest. Now, objects cast shadows, and so the shadow would have to be beneath the object. So I need to reorder the layers. You're going to see these little arrows on the side. That lets you reorder the layer. All you have to do is click it and drag it. And you'll see how those little blue lines change. It's letting you know where it is. So now I've got the sphere on top. I've got the shadow on the bottom. Next, let's talk about how to create opacity in your layer. You'll see this little slide on the side. If I click and hold that, the opacity shows. You'll see it at the bottom. Just letting you know how opaque the layer is. You'll also notice that there's a little button at the top with a number that changes. You'll see that in the window right here. You can also change the opacity by clicking and dragging that, and you'll see that slide bar move as well. Okay? The lock lets you lock the layer or unlock it. You've got that command here as well.